Hi guys, this is Kushi, and in this video we'll see how we can analyze and choose a strategy on TradingView. So we are at TradingView, we'll click on the search bar and choose the asset we want to take trades on. So I'll choose BTC USDT because I trade Bitcoin. Here we'll click on the indicators, metrics and strategies button, and we can choose any existing strategy on TradingView from these options. I'll choose MACD strategy. So here we can click on this icon to know how this strategy works. Let's close this. So in the chart, we can see the trigger generated for the orders according to the MACD strategy. In the overview section, we can find the net profit or loss of the particular strategy. And from here, we can see how the strategy has been doing for a particular period of time. Like if I click on 1 month, it shows me the net PNL of the past 1 month at the rate of a trigger per 30 minutes. Now if we want to see how the strategy has been doing at a trigger per hour, then we can change the range of the candles from here. So I choose a trigger per hour interval in a month strategy, and in the strategy tester we can see the net profit or loss of the strategy. We've also got Pine editor in here, by which we can not only tweak our strategy but also can create a strategy of our own. So yeah, this is how you can choose a strategy on TradingView. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button to be the first one to get latest updates of our platform and strategies.